45. Oh, what the f? Bro, welcome to Florida, bro. It just doesn't stop, dude. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and you're probably wondering, yo, what happened to your drift Subi? We had a couple of issues with this freaking beautiful red machine behind me, and we're gonna get into all of it in this video, go for a little cruise, because right now this thing is making hella power. So the Subi drift build, let's talk about what's been going on. So I had a few issues with the car stalling out. I had no clue what was wrong with it. I bring it to a shop. They said it has something to do with the fuel pump. So I get the fuel pump hardwired in. Next thing you know, it's got fuel pressure. It still ain't starting. I'm like, dude, what the hell is going on? So they told me to bring it to like a Subaru. So I bring it to Subaru and they're saying, oh, it has something to do with the ignition switch or the ignition cable. So I get a new ignition cable. And everything seems good. I'm like, all right, I got the ignition cable, the car's starting up, we got the hardwired fuel pump. We're ready to freaking start building this car and make it dope as hell. Boom. A few days later, it stalls out again, no power, no nothing. It cranks, but it won't start. So I'm thinking to myself, like, bro, this car is a flippin' lemon, bro. It just keeps breaking down on me. What is going on? So then, bring it back to the Subaru shop, and they're like, oh, your fuse box is messed up. So supposedly the previous owner connected some shit to the fuse box and like messed up where the fuse cables like, or the fuse pins go in. So every time like you would hit a bump or something like that, the fuse cable would pop out a little bit and make the car stall out. And that fuse cable was connected to like all the electrical, so I would get no power at all. I was like, at first we were thinking it might be ECU, something like that, but it turned out I just needed a fuse box. And now this bee is back running, and I'm excited to say she is making 440 horsepower. You heard that straight, almost 500 horsepower in this light ass little red Ferrari Subi, baby. So yeah, besides all the freaking little issues I've been having with this car, I mean, look at her. She is beautiful, bro. I'm still in love with this car. As you guys know, these older Subis are my all-time favorite cars. She is just beautiful, bro. Woo, got the Alcantara steering wheel. Looking clean inside, bro. Let's hop in this baby. Take her for a little spin. I'm gonna put the head cam on so you guys get like a little POV of what's going on in the car while I drive. Alright, we're off, gang. Sheesh. I do got an HKS blow-off valve on this. Let me put the windows up for a second. I got an HKS blow-off valve so you can hear that, and she is purring, bro. And besides having all the issues I've had with the car, I still love it, bro. Like, I still love this car. Even though she's sort of been a lemon, like I was saying, she just rips, bro. And now, since I got the tune and she got 440 horsepower, and yes, I have 15K BC coilovers on here, so it's stiff as balls. We got a green light. Oh, shit. We got Popo, dog. Gosh dang it, we got Popo right behind us, dude. Alright, we're gonna have to be calm right now. This is just cruising, bro. Just cruising, like, it sounds like a goddamn beast. It is a WRX for everyone wondering. One day I will have an STI, but like, oh, freaking, there's so much stuff in the road, bro. But I love 5 gears, bro. Like, for around town, the 5 gear is so nice. Like, in my other Subi, I have 6 gears, and you're shifting so much. Like, in this, I'm in 3rd gear right now, chilling, going 45. Oh, what the f? Bro, welcome to Florida, bro. Are you kidding me, dude? Welcome to goddamn Florida, man, where people just cut right in front of you. That is ridiculous, bro. Damn, that had my heart bumping real quick, bro. Yeah, so Florida drivers, they're a little wild, as you can probably tell. Like, all right, let's go a little 1st gear. Y'all hear that? HKS blow-off valve sounds so good. Put the windows down a little bit. Woo, I had a ship. Bruh. So this is a view of me inside my baby, dude. Even though she's been a little bit of a lemon, like I said, sort of explain everything I've done to the car. Well, this is a nice little road to rip on. I'm so nice to my baby, bro. I barely rip on her, to be honest, bro. Oh crap. Like I treat this thing like it's even though it has 440 horsepower, I probably treat her like she's only got 300 horsepower. I barely could go on her. But in this video, I'll do one pull in a second. Once we're on a good road. This road's a little bouncy, so. Bro, I've only hit 2 PSI. I've barely ripped on this thing. We're about to go for a little rip on her. Right to a red light. That was a little rip right there. That wasn't even full throttle. That was like maybe 75%. Come on, light, turn green. Gosh dang it, bro. We got a car in front of us. I'm gonna slow down a little bit because we're gonna hit a little pull. But I mean, dude, just listen to it. That HKS blow-off valve is, it sounds so good, dude. I love it, bro. As you can probably tell, I don't really rip on this thing too hard, bro. She got so much power, but I just like to keep her calm and collected, bro. Until someone pulls up next to me, then we're freaking zooming past them, dog. On this little downhill section. Oh my god, I thought that was Popo in the corner, dude. Dude, it's just like here's 4,000 RPM and it just doesn't stop, dude. Holy crap, bro. And yeah, then we're back just cruising, baby. Holy, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I'm back at the crib. So yeah, you're probably wondering, yo, Lars, are you gonna drift this thing? Is it gonna be a drift build? And to be honest, everyone tells me don't do it, bro. It's not worth it. You're gonna mess up your car way more, like, because I have to convert it to rear-wheel drive, and I guess it's sort of a pain doing that a little bit. And then the axles ain't as strong, so I gotta do tons of stuff to it. And they're like, I'm talking to my drift homies, and they're like, you know what, you should just buy like a 350Z, like an older 350Z or a Corvette if you really want to get into drifting, because like you got a beautiful red Subi right here. You don't want to mess it up, you know? You don't want to be hitting a wall with this beautiful car. And this is like literally one of my dream cars. Like, I would rather have this over an Audi, Mercedes, or BMW, anything like that. Like, just the way this thing drives is magnificent. 440 horsepower, which is just mind-blowing. We're about to hop in the car so I can show you guys this flipping power and just how it sounds, because it is nasty, bro. When I'm telling you this thing freaking pulls, bro, I feel like I'm in a fighter jet, bro. This G's just and pulls you back, bro. That little boxer motor, she got some G's in her. So yeah, I don't think I want to make this into a drift build. This is just gonna be my baby. I'm gonna keep her nice and clean and safe, and you know, hopefully she ain't a lemon and I'll have no more issues with the car and she just rips from here on out till 200K miles. But then again, it is a Subaru. But let me know down below what type of drift car you would want to see me in, like Corvette, 350Z, because eventually in the future I sort of want to get into drifting a bit. So I'm thinking 350Z or like an older Corvette, but let me know down below what y'all think. I'm gonna keep this baby I'm gonna keep this baby safe for now. She ain't gonna be drifting, she ain't gonna be hitting no walls. But yeah, remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little different than the motorcycle stuff, but yeah, I love you. Till next time, peace.